Dear 5th standard students, in the previous class we were discussing in the exercise 2.3 divide the following. In that first one and second one we have finished, isn't it? And I told you to try this problem. Did you try this problem? Did you get the answer? Did you get this answer? At least did you try the problem? Okay, I will show now how to do this problem. Okay, exercise 2.3 problem number C. 65217 is divided by 49. In this 49 as divisor or dividend? Divisor. 65217 as dividend. And quotient we have to calculate. That means we have to find out and remainder. Okay. So now how to divide the numbers? By which number if you are multiplying you will get to reach this nearest number? 49. Let us take the tables now. 49 ones are 49, isn't it? 49 twos are 2 nines are 18, 1 carry, 2 fours are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 98. So now you can take 49 ones are 49 or 49 twos are 98 here. Yes, 49 ones are 49. Okay, because it is biggest number than this. So here subtract now from 5. We can't subtract. Take borrow 1. That is 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay. And here what is remaining? 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. That is 16. So now we have to take next number. What is next number? 2. 162. It became now 162. So here it is till 98 we got. Let us take next number. 49 3s are 9 3s are 27, 2 carry, 3 4s are 3 9s are 27, 2 carry, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 14. Okay, so 147. 147. Here we have to take 147. But if you are taking 49 fours, it will become biggest number. So let us take this 147. From which number? 3s are 49. 3s are 147. Subtract now. Here 2. That means take borrow 1. 12 minus 7 is 5. And here 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. And here it is 0. What is next number? 1. Okay. Now it is 151. For this 151, see here it is 147. Now you will take 49 3s only, or you will take 49 4s. 49 3s we have to take. Okay. 147. Because see here 49 4s if you are taking, it will become biggest number. See here for 162 only we have taken 3s 147. Here for 151 we have to take this same number only. Better to see. If you are getting confused, see 4 9s 36. Okay. 3 carry, 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 19. 196. ಸಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಇದು 196 ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 162 ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೇನೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 49 3s 147 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 151 ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? 49 3s 147 ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 4s ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ನೌ ಯು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ this number. 11 minus 7 is 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬರೋ 1 ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 11 ಆಯ್ತು. 11 minus 7 is 4. Here 4 minus 4 is 0. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮ್ಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 49 ಇದೆ. 49 1s 49 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಯ್ತು. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 47 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 49 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ನ ತಗೋಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 0 ಇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೂ 0 ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೂ 0 ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಂತೂ 0 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಝೀರೋ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 0 ಇಂಟು 49. 0 ಇಂಟು 49 ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಓಕೆ, 0 ಇಂಟು 9 ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? 0. 0 ಇಂಟು 4 ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? 0. 0 ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಏನೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 0. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? Did you understand how we took this number? Is it clear now? See, we have taken here 0 because 7 we have taken, but also it is least number than this. We can't multiply. We can't subtract here 49. We can't write this 49 here. So what we have to do? We have to take 0. Then we have to do the problem. Okay? Did you understand? Then if you want you can put the point. But point problem you can't understand. You leave it. Okay? You can't understand now. In further classes you can understand this, how to put the point means what, like that. Okay, if you are putting 1 point we can take 0 like that. Okay, so now this is the answer. Is it clear now? Okay, so for next problem, question number D. What is that question number D? 34216. That means 34,216 is divided by 27. From 27 we have to divide 34,216. Let us take now 27 ones are 27. Next, here it is 34. Let us take 27 2s are 2 7s are 14. 1 carry. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 54. Is it 54 here? No. 34. So we have to take 27 ones are 27. What is remaining? Subtract now. Subtract this. 4 means 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Here 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next number is 2. So now it became 72. 27 3s are 3 7s are 21. 2 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 81. Okay. Did you understand? 3 7s are 21, 2 carry, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So, we can't take this number, we have to take this number. 27 2s are 54 minus, here 12, 12 minus 4 is 8, here 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, so what is next number? 181. 27 4s are 27 4s are 4 7s are 4 7s are 28, 2 carry, 4 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, 108. Okay, so 108. Can you take this 108 here? It is 181. Just it is 108. Okay. Let us take next number. 27 5s are 5 7s are 35. 3 carry, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 13. Okay. Next 27 6s are. Now we need here, ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 181 ಬೇಕು, ಇದು 135 ತನಕ ಬಂದಿದೆ. 6 7s are 42, 4 carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4 16. Okay, next 27 7s are 27 7s are 7 7s are 49, 4 carry, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4, 14 plus 4 18. See, 181, but it is 189. It is biggest number, so we have to take this number. 27 6s are 27 6s are 162. Subtract now 1. So take borrow 1, 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Here it became 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 is 0. Next number is 6. 196. For this 196, see here it is nearest number 189. If you are taking 27 8s, it will be bigger. We have to take this number only. 27 7s are 27 7s are 189. Okay, subtract now. Here 6, take borrow 1. 16 minus 9, 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay, 16 minus 9 is 7. Here 8, 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So remainder is 7. Okay, did you understand? Did you understand this problem? Write this slowly. See, how to multiply one by one, you have to try to understand. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so how to divide the numbers, did you understand? Here it is divisor, dividend, quotient. Okay, and how we took this 0